Episode 3, Marketing Made Simple. You're listening to From $1 by Interac. This episode is all about how to market your new business and land that all-important first sale. Once you've officially launched your business, it's time for shameless self-promotion. Seriously. In order to draw customers, first you need to draw attention to yourself. That's where marketing comes in. Since you're just starting out, you probably don't have much money to throw at publicity. So how do you make the most of limited resources for getting your name out there? Here are some tips. Your potential customers need to be able to find you. A good start is to have a website that briefly explains what you do and how to contact you. Not a web designer? No problem. Entrepreneurs on a limited budget can opt for a DIY solution. Make your own website services like Wix and Squarespace are designed just for this purpose. Next, it's time to socialize. On social media, that is. You have to decide how much time and energy makes sense for you to invest in your business's social media presence. If you sell direct to consumers, a social media presence helps put a friendly face to your business. Socializing face-to-face is just as important as finding customers online. For example, if your business sells comic books, try getting a sales booth or table at a local comics festival. Make it easy for fans to buy by taking payments right on your phone. Quick, easy sales with no fumbling for cash. Remember, you don't have to do it all yourself. You can hire a professional designer, social media consultant, or SEO consultant to help you grow and enhance your online and social media presence. Paying your vendors with Interac e-transfer means no fussing around with paper invoices and waiting for check or electronic funds transfer payments to clear. Plus, with its bank-grade security features, Interac e-transfer can help keep your payments secure. If you'd like to learn more or get news on all things Interac sent right to your inbox, visit interac.ca/$1 and sign up for our newsletter. And keep listening for the next episode, Ready, Set, Grow, where we'll cover how to scale your business.